subject plus verb. He'll come. She can swim. He's the one. She can cook. He can fix it. They can dance. She's available. They're in love. It's a rare gem. It's a good idea. She can run fast. He can lift. That the movie is good. The cake is ready. It's a true story. He's a good singer. The car will start. It's a coincidence. He's a good leader. He's a good driver. He's a good driver. She'll win the race. They'll find a cure. They can fix the leak. She likes chocolate. He's a skilled chef. He can sing in tune. It's a rare species. She'll find her way. She'll find her way. It's a rare disease. He can fix the issue. They'll win the game. It's worth the price. It's a genuine offer. It's the right color. She'll like the book. It's a rare artifact. He can keep a secret. She'll pass the exam. It's a genuine smile. It's safe to go there. She can speak Spanish. He's the right choice. He's the right choice. They'll pass the test. It's a valid argument. She'll enjoy the hike. It will rain tomorrow. He can play the guitar. He's a reliable person. It's a genuine product. It's a good investment. He can fix the problem. She can play the piano. It's a fair assessment. They have enough money. She'll remember my name. It's a valuable antique. She's interested in art. He'll like the surprise. They'll make it on time. She'll be ready on time. She's telling the truth. She'll accept the offer. She'll enjoy the concert. They're on the same page. They're on the same page. They'll reach the summit. He can solve the mystery. She can handle criticism. She'll pass the interview. It's a genuine friendship. She'll be available later. He's a trustworthy person. They can solve the puzzle. They can solve the puzzle. It's a legitimate concern. They can break the record. It's a valuable discovery. It's a unique opportunity. He can handle the pressure. He can repair the computer. She'll make a good teacher. They can find the treasure. They'll agree to the terms. He's a professional athlete. He can make it to the party. They have the right strategy. She'll accept the invitation. They can complete the mission. They can complete the mission. They have the right equipment. They have the necessary skills. She can make a perfect souffle. They have the right ingredients. They understand the instructions. They can follow the instructions. She can handle the responsibility. They'll finish the project on time. They have the right qualifications.